So hello viewers, welcome back to the channel and I hope you all are safe and healthy. So here again I am with a new video of unpacking. So in this we have Ayu's Lilac album photos. I hope I pronounced that right. Anyway, so here it is. I love its packaging, and if you want I have just mentioned the link for buying it in the description box. And here, see, it's so beautiful, isn't it? I love the packaging, it's awesome. I hope it's lilac, I am pronouncing it right. I hope so. But trust me, it's really pretty. These days I have been obsessed with lemo cards. Like I'm seeing their unpacking videos, like unboxing stuff of like lemo cards, and I have been like addicted to them, so I couldn't hold myself back. And yeah, here I have bought one, and one more is on the way, and it's I will not say it's a surprise. I will post maybe in the next video. So as you can see here, there are so many cards, and actually I forgot how many were there. Like I don't remember the accurate number, but I will just write it somewhere in the screen so you can see. So here I have photos, but I wanna say that there were many photos which are not from like the album, like Lilac, that MV, that photo shoot, somewhere of like coin. If you have seen that, I hope I'm just like taking the right name. I think it's coin, like that black one or this. I don't exactly remember if these scenes were there in the MV. And this lilac one, I actually like it a lot. And yeah, that lilac one, like in the behind of like the big face photo one. Here are some more photos. I don't know if it's a concept photo or something, but there were many photos of the like the same but I should say that like same edited like kind of thing. And here are some other, and I am just showing it so much because like there are beautiful. And in the back side, I don't know what it should like to say, like that cartoon or whatever it is in the back, it's all same. Like in the back side, that cartoon is in all the cards. There were also some photos of our like dramas. One of there was like Hotel del Luna. It is one of my favorite dramas, by the way. Dramas, what I'll say. Anyways, so I will just stop talking here right now and let you enjoy the video.
처음부터 그대였죠. 나에게 다가올 한 사람, 단 한 번의 스침에도 내 눈빛이 말을 하죠. 바람처럼 스쳐가는 인연이 아니길 바래요. 바보처럼 먼저 말하지 못했죠. 할 수가 없었죠. 별처럼 쏟